Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the custom pipes. Sometimes pipes don't meet our needs. You can create a custom pipe. How? Let's have a look. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's generate the custom pipe. Go to the terminal, write this command for generating the custom pipe. ng generate pipe custom pipe. Okay, so pipe generated. Let's have a look. So here we go with our pipe custom pipe.ts. Okay, so here we have the transform, the value and the arguments. Okay, so here we have already created, so implement the pipe to generate that five we have already. Now I'm going to return the value. So whatever the value I'm going to accept, okay, I want to make it in uppercase, right? So this is the transform value that I'm going to use it. So return the value, whether it's to be a null or you want to do some manipulation, you can do right now. Okay, so there is the what the issue is value dot any. Okay, it should be any right now. It should be unknown. The argument should be any. Okay, so this is my custom pipe where I will accept a value and I will return it to the uppercase. Let's have a look. That is the custom pipe. Okay, so this is how the custom pipe I'm going to use it. So hello, in the app component .html, I'm going to use it like this because hello we can say about the custom pipe. I think we should go with import also. Okay, so if it custom no pipe found with the name custom quick fix import, right? So I need to import in the component. Here you can see that custom pipe is here. So this is our custom pipe, right? So import is there. Okay, so after importing, let's look because the server is not started yet. So start it. Okay, now reload it. Now you can see that it converts into the uppercase. So this is how you can make your custom pipes and use it globally anywhere you want to use. Just import it, right? So this is how the custom pipe is used. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.